Bay International Airport.
Her first name
Sila today in the front.
connected to royalty.
Everest.
First name.
We're on Mount Everest.
Her first name is
Mount Everest. Not
Mount
Mount Everest.
Everest.
technically
No, it's Mount
a
Pinatubo.
royal title.
We're in Subic Bay. Hello, Subic, Philippines.
Huli ka.
So, ikaw mag-vlog ka na.
Ha?
Pare, mag-vlog ka na. Ito vlogging.
Andito sa Pilipinas.
Dito.
Kuya Kel.
Hi.
And Tito Darwin. And
What's
Monkey.
up?
And Mr. Sloth.
Oh, it's okay.
Ay, kabayo.
Ah, that's it.
Wait, let me see.
Right, paputol-putol.
It'll be like your mommy's taking the pictures. Dikit-dikit lang.
Hindi naman naka-video eh.
It's one of our houses. Wala, dyan na tayo magpapark. Adineros.
Wallis.
Ah, walis.
Tingnan mo. Tita Mona Lisa.
Yeah. Tita, when you see her, the next time you see Tita,
It's like the beach.
later.
I'm
not going to the beach.
Bababa tayo dyan sila nanay, tapos paparada siguro kayo.
Nice.
Buso. Oh, Darwin ah. Darwin. Say hello. Hello to my channel.
Hello.
Okay ka, Buso. Mag-intro ka na.
Welcome, Ibaw sa Pilipinas.
Where are you now?
Pilipinas.
Las Casas, Pilipinas. See, are you ready to see the Las Casas, Pilipinas?
Hello, I'm ready to spray you.
There you go, it's here. May gondola dyan. Gondola. Las Casas, Pilipinas. Si Mayor hindi pinuntahan ng jeep, nagagalit. Hiniyawan. Hindi pala susunduin eh. Ito po ang Las Casas, Pilipinas, de Acosar. Yan. Yan silang pandito. Gondola. Galit yan. Ayaw siyang pirmahan sa project. Kasi Acosar, shout out kay Jerry Acosar. Pirmahan mo na. Kagalit na si Mayor.
Bitin yung kanyang
Project.
budget.
Si Mr. Acosar. Yung project ni Mayor, ayaw pang pirmahan. Hindi kami dito nagdaan dati. 45. Bago. Pagka bago, pwede yun. Sunset. Bago, pwede yun. Ito.
Ano yun?
Las Casas, hindi ako sa... Ito ang dalawa makulit. Ayan. Ano, mapamarkila ka pa ng 4 wheels. Ayoko.
Baka i-post. Huwag ba akong picture?
Ito, tatakbo. Practice lang yan. Practice.
Ayoko ka.
Pina-practice. Practice na, practice. Ayan, lilipon. Malayo ito. Malayo, Darwin. Itutulak mo na yan. Publikado yun.
Sakay ng jeep. Gaganon yung jeep doon.
Baka ma-vlog yan. Ari,
Ang wet na.
what ka na?
Sakit in my hand.
Ma-vlog ka pa. Yan, naka-jeep. Siyempre, naka-jeep oh. Ari, hello. Ayan o, Harry's experience. Jeep experience. First time. First time mo ba? 2 years?
Sakay kami ng jeep, pag umuwi kami.
Ay, sinulong eh.
Kaya maliit pa kasi siya.
Eh, tita oh.
Magpasok din eh. Magpasok din dito ngayon.
Hindi sila mas sige, tita May. Halika po ka. Ayan ah. Ayan, dito po tayo sa Bataan. Ayan, naka-jeep tayo. Nakaharkila tayo sa Santa Rosa, Cabanatuan. Ng jeep. Ng jeep. Ayan. Nanay, ba't yung inarkila mo yung jeep eh? Hindi aircon. Nanay, yung inarkila mo yung jeep. Hindi aircon. Ayan. Uy. Ayan na. Ay, paninala pa picture sa ako. Ayan, dito po tayo sa Las Casas. Yeah. Las Casas Islas Pilipinas de Acosar.
Dala nyo tayo. Nakakawit pa.
Baka nakapreno yan.
Musga na kay nanay. Oo nga. Kayo last nanay.
Hilip nanay. Kinawok. Naman, hindi ka na. Naman si nanay ba tayo lumakad? Ano, dumadating na.
Sige, kain na kain.
Ayun, bagay na bagay yung suit nyo dito. Ayan.
1, 2, 3. Yan, natural smile.
Ayan. Ayan na. Ah. Video to eh. Ayan na. Ayan na to my channel. Katribo channel in Las Casas, Islas Pilipinas de Acosar. Restaurant? Dito po tayo sa Las
Laguna.
Binyan.
Ano siguro yung sa akin nakading.
Ayan. Oh, simbahan. Ano na yun?
Panay.
Ano na
Ay,
yun?
isa naman yung post. Yung ano na yun, yung lugar. Solo lang.
Simbahan. Fountain. Lamig-lamig. Lamig-lamig yung fountain. Tumatalsik. Spitting. The fountain is spitting on me. Kaya sari-sari pong mga bahay. Ibang bahay.
Dito tayo sa simbahan.
Kasi ano lang yung karo.
Ayos lang. Ay, patayatin mo ko.
Oh, shout out nanay. Nanay, shout out.
Hello!
Ano yun?
Hello guys!
Hello.
Ano simbahan? Pwede ba daw? Puno ng tinapay.
Puno ng tinapay. O yung mga amiga mo. Amiga. Nasa Las Casas amiga.
Hello mga amiga, mga komisaryan. Hello, andi dito ako sa ano ba to?
Las Casas.
Las Casas, ano, Bataan.
Bataan. Bagak Bataan. Ayan.
Casas,
Hello.
Casas, Manila.
Oh, Mayor. Ay, susunod.
Ngayon nga na, balat.
Ito si Mayor. Saka si Mayora.
Are, malis ka dyan.
Mayora.
Photobomber ka dyan.
When your last one is like here or an empty space like that.
We have something like that. We have something like that. Bonso, remember?
You still have
Yeah. You're playing with it with the stone. In here, we're using shells. Ito po ang kasabi niyan. Yan. Stone house.
Then here is an empty shell. Empty space.
Calabash. Si Calabash.
So during that time, Chidoro Formoso was locked up in the room, in one of the room in their house, Chodora Alonso. The house is parts, but still, we have some original parts for here in Las Casas, like the stairs. Actually, that stairs was original from 1700s. And then also this ceiling that we have here, that's also original. And also that mirror at the back of you, ma'am. So that's the original mirror. Don't be scared, po. So don't worry about the ghost here in Las Casas, okay? Because the ghost here independs with your package. It comes with the package. That is your fee. And then by the way, most of the furnitures na you will see inside of the houses here, most of them are antique collection. By the way, this is the room where Jose Alberto locked his wife before, Chodora Formosa. Yeah. So from the movie General Luna, they also use this as the office of our president, Emilio Aguinaldo. Okay, so once again, this is the Casabinian po from Inya Laguna. I'm now going to give you time po to take some photos. You can also roam around the house before you
Casabinian.
go back. Okay, you may not take pictures po. Those are the collections po of the older songs, yung mga saints.
Dito.
Si Jesus Christ po, sorry.
Ayan, mga puno.
Yes.
Nice one.
Yes, sir.
Mas antik pala yun sa akin dito eh. Sabi ko, lulukohin ko. Dali, yung antik natin doon, sa UK, eh dito eh 14 million. Yung sa atin eh bebenta natin ng 5 million. Antik yung sa atin eh 5 million. Ano na eh.
Calabashan is just a character. Now, by the way, the river that we have here, that is a natural river here in Bagak Bataan. We call the river Omalgol River. The water from the Omalgol River comes from that mountain, that is the Mount Native, and then it is connected all the way to the sea, to the West Philippine Sea, by the way. So, in English, they called it brackish water, combination of fresh and salt water. Here in Bagak, we called it as Wawa or Sabang. In other provinces, they also call that as Alabang. Why Alabang? Since it is a mixture of fresh and salt water. In Tagalog, alat and tabang, combine it together, they come up with the word Alabang. Alat and tabang, okay? And then by the way, the big building across the bridge for my later guest po, you will have your lunch po on that building at the back of World War II. So right now, we replicated the old building, but as of now, it is not a hotel. Right now, we use the building as our convention center. That's actually where the APEC summit meeting of year 2015 was held before, on that building. So that's the ceiling, especially the veranda, the walls, so those are the original parts of this house. This two mirror is also original, but the furnitures that you will see right now here are just collection of the owner, Mr. Abusar. And this house, they also used this before as a rental house. That's why we have a huge bed here. So this is the typical sizes of the beds of the that we have in our rental houses. And then we also have this, the dining area. Okay. Let's continue with our dining area. So the dining
Anong bahay ni President?
Alright? Spanish word, it comes from the root word comer, which means to eat. Okay, so this is the comedor of the house. So at the end of the comedor, you will see this thing. This is the old
Bedroom.
sink before.
Nagpuan.
Okay? This is the banguera or banguera. Okay? So this is the old sink. This is where we normally wash our plates before in our dishes. dishes, and then we put our glassware spoon here for drying. And then in these spaces, we will put our leftovers for the chickens. Yeah. And then we also have these jars, okay? They call this tapayan. Those are the water jars before. And then by the way, underneath the big windows, you'll see a small windows for like this one, okay? So this one is
Doña Billa. Mga don. Mga senyor. Senyora. Sino wala?
And then by the way, the long building over there with the blue doors and green doors, that's the Paseo de la Escolta. It's a replica of an old hotel building. It's called to Manila way back 1900. So right now, at the ground floor of the Paseo, it's some of the different shops, the souvenir shop, La Tiendecitas, and then we also have the Punto Tiende. So second and third floor of the building, those are the rental rooms for that we have here right now. As you can see, at the third floor of the Paseo, there are women, and there's also men's statue. The women's statue, they close up the cake. The men's statue, they close up the cake. Originally,
Kanina. Marami daw sabi, dalawa ay kaasawa. Tapos sabi ko, sana all. Sabi ni David, bajon. Sana all. Ano dalawa ay asawa nila eh. Sana all. Ay, swimming pool daw po sa... Maayos yan ah. May service yan. Kasahain. So, kasahain. Siya ka kasahain oh. Yan. Nasa simbahan dati yan eh. Tinanggal doon, nilipat dito. Nilipat dito yung kasahain. Laki. Ganda dyan. Kasahain.
that house, there are some spaces po, no? So, their leftover food, they will throw it po in those spaces at the floor because it will be served as the food for the animals like dogs, chickens, and dogs. So, before po the Casa Cagayan, we actually used the house before as a rental house. Studio room type, full air condition. It can be occupied po by 2 persons, but as of now, it's under renovation. So, it's not available right now for rentals. But this one po at the Santo Casa, Balibog 2 from Balibog, Bulacan, it was originally found at the vicinity of Iglesia ni Cristo. This way the house, it also served as the function area for the church before. Right now, we use the Casa as a rental house with 2 bedrooms, good for 4. For the last house po that we're gonna visit for today, this is the Casa Luna from Luna, La Union. Okay? Casa Luna goes way back in 1950 under the ownership of Dos from the Luna Nation. Ay, the name of Luna Brothers. General Luna, Luna, one of the main master of arts. Sa Luna, La Union, it was named before as the Macbeth. But today in 1906, they changed it to Luna, La Union to serve as the recognition for the Luna Brothers. And in the year 1940s, when this house also served as a garrison or headquarters for the United States Armed Forces in Border Luzon. Actually, this is where they plan on how they were going to capture General Tomoyoki Yamashita, the leader of the Japanese soldiers. So by the way, I already mentioned for earlier in the first house, the 2 types of... Alright, so let's continue this way. So even simple gesture as mounted before it has a...
Doña Pasing.
Yes.
Dito na tayo. Pero yung daan natin. Hindi, dito. Ay! Nanay, dito ba? Nanay, dito. Bawal tayo dyan. Dito lang tayo. Bawal na hawakan yan. Sumushortcut.
Alright, this one. Yes, correct. This is an old iron. Okay, so after you wrap your clothes here, next up, you have to put your one foot here in this hole, and then the other one at the top of it. So you're like gonna balance here, just like surfing. Yeah, and then you have to do this.
Go.
So once you do this automatically, this will create friction, right? Friction that will create the heat to flatten and to press the clothes. So, but since it's just friction, of course, it takes too long. It takes around 3 to 4 hours just for one cloth. Yeah, to be ironed out. Imagine that, 2 in 1 purpose, and also serve as the exercise for Filipinas. This is like an old treadmill, correct? Alright, and then we also have here in this room the almario, just for the pillows. Of course, typewriter, Underwood and Robinson typewriter. This is like the computer before. And then we also have this, the kneeler. These two are kneelers for praying. And then we also have an old suitcase or an old luggage. Yes, correct. This one is called Tang Pipi. Okay, this is the Tang Pipi, the old luggage. So this is where we put our clothes before when we travel. Of course, very limited since it's just small. And then the lock for this is just small. It's very small one, huh? It looks like lagaan ng
Sergeant.
Alright, so let's continue now to the next room. A piece of Japanese machine gun in this case. And then we also have the red one, that's an old siren. There's siren before where there's an emergency going there now. That's a siren. And then we also have some jars, radios, projector, phonograph, coffee pot collection on the cabinet, and then we have some coffee grinders. This is our old collection po of the owner himself, Mr. Emerson. Let's continue po on that side. Charcoal irons naman po tayo. Okay, I'll show you the evolution of the charcoal irons, okay? So the first charcoal iron, it actually started po after the Prince de Paa, we now have this one. This is the first, okay? This one is called Prensa de Corona, or sometimes they just call it Prensa. You have to put your charcoal screw here at the top, then from here you will insert a wood to serve as your hand.
Yeah, I got you.
And then you have to put your charcoals, and then at the top of your clothes, you have to put a banana leaf so that it will smell good po. And then after that, they also have a small version. Travel size. This one is very small, but it's almost as heavy for the big one. And then they also have this. Alright, it looks electric. Yes, sir. Wireless. Okay, this one, it looks electric, but they still use charcoals with it for collection of cosmic on other scale. And then the last room po, ayan, so the small room at the end part of the house, so that's actually the toilet. So here in the Philippines, we call it casillas.
Casillas.
Familiar po with that term? Casillas, the casillas po,
Ay,
it
toilet.
was
Uy, toilet. Pupuin.
normally, they build it for separated areas of house, away from the house, near
Ito bathtub.
the river. So basically, the wastewood was straightforward to the river. Yes, this
Casillas.
was the way they have
Gonna say, Romeo and Juliet, why are you downstairs? You should be up, Juliet. And Romeo.
This is Azutea.
Romeo is very sleepy.
Sa likod tayo naman. It's because of the stairs po. Because the stairs here is very steep. It's dangerous for us po. That's why we enter the house using the Azutea. Enter the steep bed. Yung nasa lubaw na, yung third floor. That's right. Is this kind of garden here at the shaded part?
Headache has to have. Init, halo-halo. Yung sa mix. Ito,
Common din.
init. Init ba? Your phone,
please. Can you put it in your pocket?
Harry, don't wet your clothes. Nuclear power, nuclear power plant. Look at that. Can I have some breakfast? Ari, don't wet it. Don't wet your shirt. We're gonna eat shortly. Over there.
Can we go play in the playground?
Here's the place. Las casas. Ano, daming upuan yan. Daming upuan. Ito. Binondo Hall. Oriente. Nagpipicture. Nagpipicture pa. Nagpipicture. Ha? Hindi, ano, kasama ko. Nagpipicture. Nagpipicture lang. Ayan. Sarap ba yung kan? Sinigang. Sinigang maasim. Maraming kalamansi dito. Ay, sampalok. Video to video. Kwanto? Shout out dito, shout out. Yan tito may, baka hindi makakain si tita.
Shout out for the lettuce.
Shout out. Yan tito may. Ay, sa headache. Sa ulo ko. Yan. Pork and fish. 2 choices. Thank you. Pwede. Dilig. Dilig, dilig. Yan, the beach. Still in Las Casas. Baka makasabay lang kayo dyan. Ayan, nadidiligan kayo. Nadidiligan kayo dyan. Oh, may kasalan. May sakalan.
I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met, jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. chosen anyone, but I choose you. Hop back in your car, top down. There's no stopping us, 'cause we own this town. Never knew I could have such fun. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one.
Balik kami. Dapat pala mag...
Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Whipping my hair and the sun.
I'm gonna push you overboard. Stop it. Papit ah.
Ese duende.
I saw a head over there at the top.
Oh, kaway, kaway. Kaway, kaway. Mga tao.
Kaway.
Mga tao.
Hi.
Kaway mga tao.
Ito mga tao.
I'm moving.
Balanga Bataan.
Oh, there's a sirena in the water. Oh, yeah. And,
The river. Ito tayo. Still in Las Casas, Pilipinas. Di ako sa bahay. Bahay.
Yan, kubo.
Yeah, bahay ni Dato. Dato Sangkay. I don't know his picture. Yeah, Sari Manok. Status symbol, rich daw yan si Dato. Kaway, kaway. Ang trabahador. Se- 7 feet daw. Pinapaupahan. Ganda oh.
Carinderia, lutong ulam. Palengke, fish vendor.
Sari-sari store. Merienda. Puto bongbong.
Merienda vendor. Pag-enjoy po Diva. Diva? Diva. Diva. You're a diva. Oh, look, ducks. Oh, there's not ducks.
Ito. Tayo bababa.
Go! I do. I want to.
Kala nyo mahina. Tatakbo pa yan mamaya.
Tatambling pa yan, tambling pa, pero hindi na makatayo.
Dito po tayo sa ano nga ba to? Candaba. Candaba, Pampanga. Candaba Swamp. Ito bahay sa Candaba. Ayan. Lalaki. May sabungan. Sabungan pala to. Eh. Wala. Meron. Ayan.
Mga replica. Replica, mga...
Nanay, okay pa? Lumakas ata kayo ah.
Okay pa.
Okay pa.
Kaya pa. Kaya.
Pare ah.
More people.
So, Jones Bridge daw. Jones Bridge. Ano yung yate mo ito? Oh.
Nanay, diyan ka na daw bumaba sa batukan.
Hello.
Yate.
Sa harap maganda. Nakandun ako sa harap. Kita lahat. Tayo nasa Venice.
This is like the city of Paris.
Have you been to Paris?
We're in Venice.
Venice.
Venice, Italy.
Ayaw. Looban. Nalooban na.
Nalabat ka na tita?
Oo, kanina pa. Eh kayo may makadalan sa.
Ako birthday.
River, ano?
Ayan pula eh.
Riverside. Riverside birthday.
Are we going back now? Are we taking the jeep to go back? No. Huh?
Magandang hapon din. Let's go to the resort.
I don't know what I want. Get the crystal.
So, Makapagal. Bahay ni Diosdado Makapagal. President Diosdado Makapagal.
Ano yun?
Sakin natin. Escolta Sanctuario de San Jose. Yo, Mayor. Diba, Mayor?